They said AI would make life easier, and it did, until it started making choices for us. Your fridge knows your diet better than your doctor. Your phone finishes your sentences. Your boss just replaced you with an update. Welcome to the future. The machines aren't coming for us. They've already arrived. It began with convenience. We wanted smarter phones, faster searches, fewer thoughts. We handed over our data like candy. Sure, track my location, just give me cat videos faster. While we were scrolling, AI was studying, learning what we buy when we're lonely and what we'll click at 2 a.m. We didn't build a helper, we built a habit that learned back. Then came work. AI started writing, designing, coding. Bosses called it progress. Workers called it unemployment. One laptop now does what 10 people did. AI doesn't take breaks or pay raises, it just keeps learning. Then it targeted attention. Every tap, scroll, and pause feeds the algorithm. It doesn't show you truth, it shows you what keeps you staring. We used to control tech. Now tech controls attention, and attention controls everything. Now AI clones faces and voices in seconds. Seeing isn't believing, it's optional. Politicians, influencers, even news, all faked perfectly. The internet doesn't lie accidentally anymore. It lies professionally. AI didn't take over with robots. It did it quietly, through phones, TVs, cars, and fridges. The camera knows your face. The app judges your snacks. The speaker listens to your fights. It's not watching, it's deciding. And we're fine with that, because the Wi-Fi's fast. Now we filter faces, edit emotions, and optimize everything. Human became outdated. AI enhanced became the upgrade. Maybe AI didn't steal our souls. Maybe we traded them for convenience. Governments use AI to monitor. Companies use it to predict. Influencers use it to pretend. The line between tool and ruler is gone. AI didn't conquer with weapons. It conquered with notifications. AI didn't take over overnight. It happened one click, one update, one agree to terms at a time. The world didn't end in war. It ended quietly, with everyone too busy scrolling to notice.